Hello, welcome hackers, slackers, list processors, whoever you are. My name's Tom, and I'm going to show you some sensible annotation bindings for taking notes in Nyxt and what I think is cool about annotations in the Nyxt browser. So the bindings are here. These are the commands on the left and my bindings. A as in annotate is usually how I remember things. And then here you can see what I think is nice about annotations here. I'll show you now what this search buffers feature looks like, and then you'll hopefully kind of get it. Okay, so I've got two Nyxt windows. On the left I have something to read. Thank you, Dr. Tony Phillips, for this content, which I haven't actually read, but I am happy to present now. And some dummy annotations I took for this. Okay, so to do the annotations is pretty straightforward. It's gonna offer me tags. Great. The annotations are showing up. Now let's search both buffers at once, and I'll show you what that looks like because it's kind of nice. Okay, I'm going to do search buffers with an S for multiple buffers. The prompt buffer is now asking me which buffers I care about, and I'm going to indicate by marking that I care about these two. And now the prompt buffer is asking for the search term that I care about. Let's choose the word debris. Okay, so the first result was in my annotations, and the second result was also in my annotations. The third result, it looks like, will be in the source material. Cool. So what just happened? The source material moved to my bigger window here so that I can see it better. And then I can just cruise through these and make sense of whatever it is I'm reading. So anyway, that's how this looks, and the rest is up to you. Thanks.